But grocery stores don't view the mask changes as one size fits all. Christina Laurie asked them what will change and what may not.
To mask or not, the rules are changing, and the answer will likely depend on where you choose to shop.
Think how ironic this is that 14 months ago, every day we were looking to see what the newest ruling was, what the newest report was.
For the first time in more than a year, starting June 2nd, there will be no new order in Dane County.
We're pretty good at this. Grocers are pretty good at being flexible.
Once the current mask requirement expires, vaccinated people will be free to shop without masks inside many grocery stores. But the president of the Wisconsin Grocers Association warns it won't be a free-for-all.
It ranges from we're leaving everything in place. Our sneeze guards, our masks, our gloves, our social distancing. We're not going to open up a salad bar right now, to probably the far end of the spectrum.
Walmart, Costco, and Hy-Vee have all dropped their mask requirements for vaccinated shoppers nationally and say that when the current order expires, that will be the policy here.
I've been through a lot of things in my career in the grocery business. And just like you, I don't think we've ever seen anything like this in our lifetime.
Local grocer Tim Metcalfe has been consulting with an independently contracted infectious disease expert throughout the pandemic, as well as following science and guidelines from the CDC and OSHA.
It'll probably be a requirement to be vaccinated. To not wear a mask.
Metcalfe says he won't have someone at the door asking customers to show proof of vaccination, but his employees will likely have to show their cards before taking off their masks.
There was a beginning, there was a middle, and there's an end. And I think we're at that end or getting very close to that end.
Now, whichever chain you choose, it's a good idea to either call or check online before walking into the store without a mask. Remember that stores must follow public health guidelines from the county, but once those orders expire, they are able to implement their own rules. Reporting in Madison, 4 News 3 Now, I'm Christina Laurie.
Several chains like Hy-Vee will not require their employees show proof of vaccination. Now, we asked what that means for immunocompromised shoppers, and they recommended those customers continue to use the first hour of the day, which is set aside for them to limit contact with others.